Nothing bothers me more than smudges on my glasses. That's why I love Peeps Premium Carbon Lens Cleaner. What I love about Peeps is that it's safe to use for my lenses. It never scratches or damages them. Before Peeps, I cleaned my glasses with the corner of whichever shirt I was wearing. That usually left either more smudges or even small scratches. I did this because it was convenient. But with the compact design of Peeps, I can bring it in my pocket and clean my lenses wherever I go.
Peeps glasses cleaner, and it's this little guy right here. And it can open up on both sides. And here with a little button, when you push it, there's like this brush situation going on. You can use the brushes to brush off the debris on the side of the glasses. You can open this up. On the other side, there's these tongs, and you can slip your glasses right in between and clean it like so. And these fabrics has the same kind of carbon molecular technology used by NASA, so I think that's pretty cool. And the best thing about this is that it's super small, compact size, so you can just bring it anywhere you go.
There's a brush that extends to remove debris, and it has these cute little cleaning arms, almost like tweezers. You use that cute little extendable brush that I showed you earlier. It can clean over 500 times. Second, you use the cleansing pads and you just wipe it across the lenses. It's extremely easy. It gets into all the nooks and crannies.
The new Peeps eyeglass cleaner. So the first step is to flip up this very durable brush. It is soft but firm. You're going to need to use that to remove any kind of dust or debris from your lenses. So just a quick swipe across the surface to make sure that you don't buff any of that in. So next we're going to go in with the tongs, which is step 2. These are coated with the same carbon molecular technology that NASA uses, and they are good for 500 cleanses. So you're just going to put these right over the lenses and then apply a little bit of pressure, and these do an amazing job at hitting every nook and cranny. They are just the perfect shape, and it does make for a crystal clear glass finish.
Now since I've started using Peeps, they keep my glasses crystal clear every time. Eco-friendly and easy to use, I take them with me everywhere. Peeps use the same carbon molecular technology that NASA uses.
Peeps Premium Carbon Lens Cleaner using a 2-step system. First, you will want to remove any dirt or dust from your lens with the brush like so. Next, you will free your cleaning arms from your holder, rubbing the carbon cleaning pads across your lens, making sure to get every nook and cranny.
Today I'm going to show you the 2-step method to clean my glasses with the Peeps tool. Built-in brush to wipe away any loose debris. Now, I currently clean my glasses with the cloth that came with them, but this new solution uses the same carbon molecular technology used by NASA, and there are no messy sprays or dirty cloths to hassle with. Also, this very compact design makes it super easy, especially if you're traveling. You just put it in your pocket and go. And
there are my crystal clear specs.
Hey guys, it's Brooke, and I just wanted to talk to you really quick about one of the most annoying things ever. Cleaning your glasses. You gotta try Peeps. The brush is there to wipe off any debris that you may have, and then the other side, it'll clean every nook and cranny right on your glasses. This is the best thing ever. It never scratches or damages your lenses. No messy sprays or dirty cloths, because you know we hate those. It's simple, it's easy, and it works. Happy cleaning.
So then all you're going to do is take the brush and you're just going to brush off any of the oil or debris and dust. Second step, you're just going to take the eco-friendly solution and then take the tongs, and then you're just going to go back and forth just like that. And you want to really make sure that you get the corners, because that's where the most buildup is. You can use this up to 500 times to clean your glasses, and it helps prevent from any damage or scratches.
But now I found Peeps. First you pop out this retractable brush. It gets all the lint and crumbs and whatever's been hiding in your purse. Then you pop the brush back in, pull on these tabs on the side, and out comes this eco-friendly carbon lens cleaner. It gets in all of the nooks and crannies, and you can use it over 500 times without it drying out. When you're all done, grab the outside part, slide it back in, and this thing's so compact, it fits right in your hand. Nice and clean.
The first step to using this product is you open up the brush to remove any debris. Step 2, use tongs to wipe crystal clear. The product cleans every nook and cranny and is also a pocket-sized design. I love these because you can clean your glasses over 500 times and also never scratches or damages your lenses, which can happen from when you use like a t-shirt or a cloth. So definitely go get yourself your own Peeps.
Recently, I've been using the Peeps Carbon Lens Cleaner. One side has a brush and the other side has cleaning tongs. You just brush away the dirt first, then pull out the tongs and wipe away all the nasties, and immediately your lens is crystal clear. Best things about this cleaner is there's no liquid, no sprays, it'll never scratch your lenses, and it's super compact. It's easy to throw in your purse or clutch when you're on the go.
These are her glasses, and now we're just going to start off by dusting it off, which is super easy because it just like pops out like that. It's kind of fun to play with. And then you just dust it off, and then here is the fun part. So you pop it out, and there are the tongs, and then cleans the inside and the outside at the same time, which is so nice. It leaves no streaks, and it looks really, really good after you finish. And it cleans every nook and cranny. There you have it, all clean. So I'm gonna show you, my glasses are pretty dirty. So first we're gonna use the brush to take out the dirt from inside and outside. Now we'll use the carbon cleaning pads. We're gonna place it between the lenses and just clean that like that. You can clean your corners. It's so convenient and easy to use, and your glasses will look crystal clean, no scratches. And what I love about it is I can toss it to my bag. It's so small, it looks cute, and it does the job great. No scratches, and the glasses are super clean. Amazing.
I have discovered Peeps Eyeglass Cleaner. An amazing compact contraption. You pop out the retractable brush, clean off any small debris or particles on your glasses, slide out the eco-friendly carbon cleaners that get into every corner and clean all the spots on your glasses. Easy as that. Perfect.
Use the Peeps Carbon Eyeglass Cleaner to leave the inside and outside of your lenses smudge and oil-free every time. You can use the Peeps Eyeglass Cleaner up to 500 times. It never scratches or damages your lenses and uses the same carbon molecular technology used by NASA.
Peeps is very easy and compact glasses cleaning kit. There's a brush, a quick and easy way to clean off the debris. As you can tell, one side's still dirty and the other side's clean in a split of a second. I usually use a cloth to clean off my sunglasses and it takes forever. Both sides are clean now. Now if you really want to get into it, there's the tong, which helps clean the nooks and crannies of the sunglasses. If you want to get every inch of it, there you go. As you can tell, the glasses is brand spanking new.